Hello, and welcome to Taiwan Tech Dispatch, the podcast where we explore Taiwan's most compelling tech, economic, and investment stories. I'm your host, White Hsu. Today, we're diving into the story of a company you've probably never heard of, but absolutely should. EASTECH, stock code 5225 in Taiwan stock market, is a classic hidden champion from Taiwan. They don't make smartphones or headlines, but they quietly dominate the global market for audio modules, supplying the core sound components used in premium speakers, luxury cars, and high-end electronics. With the number one global market share in their niche, EASTECH is a company built on deep engineering, long-term client partnerships, and one very underappreciated edge: dividend discipline. In this episode, I'll take you inside EASTECH's 2025 annual shareholder meeting and show you what this quiet powerhouse can teach us about long-term, conviction-based investing. Chapter 1: The AGM, calm, direct, and surprisingly revealing. On May 28th, I attended EASTECH's 2025 shareholder meeting held at National Taiwan University Convention Center in Taipei. The atmosphere: calm, polite, no shouting, no drama, but also no fluff. Instead of a corporate monologue, we saw honest Q&A. Investors asked sharp questions, myself included, and the management gave clear, measured responses. EASTECH doesn't do flashy investor relations, but when you listen closely, you realize these people know their business inside out. And they're not chasing headlines. They're building for the long term. Chapter 2: 5 Key questions that matter. Let me walk you through the 5 key questions I raised at the meeting and what they reveal about EASTECH's direction. 1. Why is the stock under pressure despite strong fundamentals? Management didn't comment on the stock price as expected, but emphasized no FX or tariff exposure, solid first quarter profits, gross margins are improving. My takeaway: ignore market noise. The fundamentals are intact and dividend yields remain above 10% at current prices. 2. Is EASTECH engaging with AI trends? Yes. They've launched an internal AI lab and are collaborating with clients on integrating AI into smart audio products. Verdict: this isn't vaporware. It's quiet, deliberate innovation. 3. Any plans for share buybacks given the undervaluation? They are considering it, but balancing with expansion plans. No debt, strong cash reserves, but being prudent. That's good news. It means any future buybacks will be strategic, not reactive. Fourth, Why shift expansion from Vietnam to Malaysia? To diversify geopolitical risk. A new MOU is signed with Malaysia. Production could start within 6 months if trade conditions demand it. Smart move, shows agility and long-term planning. 5. Is AI being used internally to improve operations? Absolutely. AI-powered quality inspection has already delivered 100% precision, boosting efficiency and yield. This is real-world AI, not just AI for marketing slides. Chapter 3: Dividend Discipline and Long-Term Conviction. I've held over 200 shares of EASTECH since early 2024. My average cost basis? Around 80 new Taiwan dollars. I've received over 3 million new Taiwan dollars in cash dividends. That's not just income, that's conviction. Reinforced annually. EASTECH fits the exact framework described in Mark Lichtenfeld's book, Get Rich with Dividends, Zero Debt. Consistent dividend growth, capital-light business model, global customer base with high switching costs. Their approach is boring, and that's exactly what makes it beautiful. In an age of hype, EASTECH rewards patience. Chapter 4: Lessons from the 2025 AGM. Here's what I took away from this year's AGM. 1. Management is credible. They don't overpromise, but they deliver financially and operationally. 2. The company has conviction. They're not chasing AI trends. They're embedding AI where it matters, in their products and processes. 3. EASTECH is playing the long game. Smart capital allocation, high margin focus, and a laser focus on quality. This is what a dividend compounder looks like. You don't get 3 times returns overnight, but over time, with reinvested dividends, it's how you build wealth the slow, steady way. Closing and CTA. If you're a long-term investor in Taiwan or looking for global dividend stories with real staying power, keep an eye on EASTECH. For more analysis, charts, and direct quotes from the AGM, check out my blog at whitehsu.blog. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow Taiwan Tech Dispatch on Spotify, YouTube, and connect me on LinkedIn. I'm White Hsu. Thanks for listening. And as always, stay focused, stay patient, and invest with conviction.